Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's very late and I'm very hungry. I was very busy studying and now I really need to eat dinner. So what do I have? I have green beans. I'm going to show you how I cook green beans and I will cook it step by step. Please watch the full video and let's go. Alright everyone, I got the beans over here and I have some tomato and I have pepper and I got the garlic and let's start cooking it step by step. Let me get the cutting board. Here's a cutting board and here's a knife. Let me start. First of all, I'm going to cut the garlic. So here I've cut the garlic. Let me clean it here. So I've got this medium pan. I'm gonna place it over here and I got some olive oil. It's healthier and tastier. Let me put a little bit oil. Okay, I think this is enough. Put the fire on and wait for it. When it starts to warm up a little bit, I'm going to add the garlic and then I'm going to add the green beans inside. I think it's time to add the garlic because I don't want to burn the garlic. Now I lower the fire a little bit and start opening the beans and adding it inside. Meanwhile, while I'm cooking the green beans, I need to cook some water because I need some hot water for later. I've washed the tomato and I washed the pepper. Let me start with the pepper. And now I need to add the pepper inside. It doesn't matter how I cut the tomato because I'm going to eat it anyway. Alright, as you guys see, I've placed the camera here and I brought this one so you can see how I'm cooking. Now these beans are almost ready. Let me add the tomato now. I've got all the ingredients over there. And let me start with the salt. And add this amount of salt. It's not too much. Okay, so now I'm going to add some black pepper. And here I'm going to add some chili. Chili pepper is nice and tasty. Not too much. I didn't add too much. And Maggi. I love Maggi. I add Maggi to most of my food. Not too much. It's not always good. And here's some chili powder. And as always, some soy sauce. I need to add some boiled water. Maybe not too much. I think this is enough. Look at this. Amazing. And you will be surprised how I eat it later. I got a lid. I need to cover it. So we will come back later. Alright everyone, my meal is ready. Here you can see it. This is my dinner. It took me a little long time because I had to clean the kitchen. I got plate. I'm going to put some here inside the plate. Maybe everything. Look at this. Wow. Wow. I'm going to soak the pan. It will be easier to wash. And as you see, let's go eat this dinner together. So here is something. Usually, this green beans, we eat it with rice. But this time, I'm not going to eat it with rice. I'm going to eat it with just bread. It's flatbread. It's very easy to use. And it's delicious. Not really healthy. But I don't have time to cook rice. And I only have one cooker. So I can only cook my meal and use this bread. Usually if I wanted to eat rice, I'll cook rice first and prepare the ingredients for the food. Alright, let's start eating. Okay, so now let's start eating. It's this kind of bread. As you see, it's very flat. And you can open it from the middle, from the side. If you open it, you have two layers. This one and this one. Some people eat it like this. So they have one layer. But I don't have the time to do that because I really need to study before it's late. Let's try. I will be very, very honest. I promise you. Obviously, it's very delicious. But there is something I did while I was cleaning. And I had to stir the pan, the food. I add some salt. I was like, just let me add a little bit more. And it's a little bit salty. I don't really like salt, a lot of salt. And it's a little bit spicy, but it's okay. Wow. I really need some drink next to it. Maybe Sprite or cola. But I don't want to drink that. It's late. It's almost 10 o'clock. You guys are welcome to come eat with me. Wow, so good. My recommendation, this green beans will be much tastier if you eat it with rice. But as I told you, I don't have another cooker. I only have one cooker. I'm not saying eating it with the bread is not tasty. It's still tasty. But it's not tastier as if you eat it with rice. Oh well. Wow, it's very spicy. Not very spicy, but it is spicy. My last bite. Well, not the last one. I still have to clean the plate. Yay, finally done with my dinner. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and we're gonna grow more and more. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Please subscribe and write a comment below for my next video. Do you want me to create any other videos? Just let me know. Maybe I will find time to make this kind of videos. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have an amazing time and cheers.